Let me tell you, there are so many powerful benefits to leeks. One is that they're a great source of prebiotic fiber. So that's that fiber that feeds the little bacteria in your gut and helps you to have good digestion and a strong immune system. So this is food for those little bacteria. They're going to eat it up. They're going to thank you for it. The other thing that's amazing about leeks is that they're one of the highest sources of manganese. And manganese is a nutrient that's really important for thyroid health. So any kind of thyroid issues, disorders, leeks, really great source of manganese. The other thing with leeks is because they are so high in soluble fiber and water, they're amazing for weight loss. So leeks are an incredibly good weight loss vegetable because they just keep you full for a long time. They digest really slowly, just like the parsnips. So like this is a pretty special casserole. It's hitting you all over the place with fiber, slow digestion, weight loss benefits. Leeks also contain compounds that can that can lower your cholesterol and slow digestion. So again, we're not going to see that big blood sugar spike. So leeks are absolutely fantastic. What else do I need to tell you about leeks? They're anti-inflammatory. They are just amazing for heart health. So these things are beautiful, so good for your body.